Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update property management workflows with AppFolio, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your property management workflows with AppFolio, start by logging into your AppFolio account. Navigate to the dashboard to view your properties and tasks. Identify the specific workflow you wish to update. Click on the Workflows tab in the main menu. Select the workflow you want to modify. Review the current processes and identify areas for improvement. To add new steps, click on that Add Step button. Enter a clear title and description for the new step. Assign the appropriate team members to this step. Set deadlines to ensure tasks are completed on time. If necessary, configure notifications to keep your team informed. To delete or modify existing steps, navigate to the step you wish to change. Click on the edit icon to make changes or the delete icon to remove it. After completing your updates, save the changes to the workflow. Next, test the updated workflow by assigning a task to a team member. Monitor the progress of the task to ensure everything functions smoothly. Once confirmed, communicate the updated workflow to your team. Provide any necessary training or resources related to the changes. Regularly review and adjust your workflows to keep them efficient. Utilize AppFolio's reporting features to assess the effectiveness of the new processes. Encourage team feedback to continually improve your property management workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.